Welcome to Fetzi's World. Here we are at my wakeboard camp at the beautiful Salensee in Linz, Upper Austria. My name is Daniel Fetz. I'm wakeboarding since 18 years and instructing since 13 years. My best competition results are 7 times Austrian champion, vice world champion, second in the world ranking, and maybe also best trick winger at the Wake the Line in Cologne. And today we're going to learn a S-bend.
S-bend is a rally with a stretched 360 rotation to the outside, backside. This trick can cost you some balls and maybe you have to take a few crashes on your back. But I will give my best to prepare you as good as possible.
Before you try the S-bend on the water, it's also possible to try the S-bend movement a little bit on a trampoline. Yeah? It's a little bit of a weird exercise, but sometimes it helps. So first, get the feeling for jumping on your stomach. If you're confident with landing on your stomach and coming up, do it with the handle and try to make a full rotation, like really your head is under between your arms, and you spin as much as you can with your whole body. You spin with the handle, with your shoulders, with your hips, yeah, and also with the board, and try to land again off the stomach. It looks like this. Ah, I fucked it up again. And as you see, I fucked it up because I squat in here. You have to stay stretched. It's also very important on the S-bend. Otherwise you will stop the rotation. Yeah? Like this. And of course, do the same movement switch again, as always. So I say it's a little bit weird exercise. It's also a bit of an impact for your body, but maybe it helps. And if not, try it on the water. Take a few falls on the S-bend. That's how it goes. But if you do it with a 2.0 system, it's definitely much more painless. As you will see when we do it around the corner, we reduce the speed a lot. And okay, that's it.
The best is if you try your first S-bend around the corner of Sesitec System 2.0, like we have it here. The centrifugal force will help you rotate, and in case of a crash you will land with almost no speed, and that saves you from a lot of pain. But please don't try this around the corner from a normal full size cable. You will lose more than you will win. Use a shorter rope. The handle should not touch the water. Put the cable speed a little bit up, like on 33 kilometers per hour. Edge out super long until the cable changes the direction for 180 degrees. You can also take a look up to the carrier and then release. Start first with a normal rally, but keeps the arms already stretched. Now try to do a 911, which is a rally where the back foot goes higher than the front foot, and the hip is also a bit twisted. Now it's time to start your first S-bend. Take care that your front foot is not rising up too high. Start off like at the 911, where you kick your back foot into the air first. Also take care that your board is not getting too much over your head. The best would be in the same level as your hips, otherwise it's getting more a front flip or front bend move. Stretch your arms so your head is in between now. Initiate the rotation very early with looking to your inner underarm, spinning your head, handle, shoulders, hips and board. The optimum would be to keep arms, legs and hips stretched the whole time until you finish the full rotation. Don't pull too early on the handle or fold the hips, otherwise it can happen that you will get stuck on your back. There are 2 ways to spot the landing. First, the landing will appear while you still have the head between your arms. Or if you can't wait, you can also take a look over your shoulder. You target the landing, pull on the handle and place the board under your feet. When you have the confidence doing the S-bends around the corner really safely I guarantee you it shouldn't be a problem doing them normally. Of course, it's also possible to add some grabs on your S-bend, like indie, nuclear or tail. As next step, you could go for a Vulcan, which is an S-bend to revert. So you spin a half rotation back. This one goes also very nice with the nose grab, like here. Or if you're already able to do a blind charge, go for the S-bend to blind.
I wish you good luck with your first S-bend and have fun. If you're interested in learning your first Rayleigh or back roll in the fastest and painless way, I recommend you our online learning program Rayleigh in 10 days. But of course, you can also come over to my wakeboard camp in Austria and visit me. Then we can individually cover your needs and really make a very quick progress. And now I say goodbye and wish you all the best.